Cups and balls, one of the oldest magic tricks in history. About 4,000 years ago, it arrived in China and became a famous magic trick, Three Gods Assembly. There is a man who has performed this trick more than 1,000 times. His videos went viral on the internet, and he even appeared on the TV show Fula.
Greatest cups and balls we've ever seen. It's just wonderful.
He is Daxien, the illusionist. All you need are 2 cups and 3 balls. You can even perform it with other objects. This is not a simple trick. It's a masterclass in controlling the audience. You let them believe they've figured something out.
Go! You see? Now you are losing.
But everything is under your control. There's more than one way to perform this trick. It's a multiverse that will completely change your mind of the cups and balls.
盖上之后叫过去，没了。这个三仙归正。
Now, let Daxien guide you on this journey. Welcome to Three Gods Assembly.